Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chef Adarsh. Today we are gonna be making chicken korma. The first step to making chicken korma is preparing our marinade. I have selected chicken. This is my curd, normal chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder, dhania powder and ginger and garlic paste. Now to start the marinade, I am gonna pour everything in. Firstly, the ginger and garlic paste, my curd, my chili powder, my Kashmiri chili powder, my dhania powder, and now it's time to give it all a good mix. Now we have to chop our onions before we fry them. Now it's time to fry our onions and I will carefully put them all in our pot. Make sure to fry the onions on high heat and give them a mix every once in a while. Our onions are fully cooked and we will let them cool down for a while. It's time to fry our marinated chicken. It has been resting for 2 hours. I will add my garam masala, specifically badi ilaichi, choti ilaichi, dalchini and tejpatta and red chili. They have started to sizzle now, so I will add my chicken. Gently give the chicken a good mix once in a while. Now we will add our salt and turmeric. The turmeric tastes better when it's sauteed, cooked properly. The salt helps the chicken cook faster. The onions I sauteed, I have ground them into a fine paste and now I will add them into my pot. The chicken is 75% cooked, so now I will add my cashew paste. I had pre-soaked the cashews for 20 minutes before making the paste. Our chicken is fully cooked, so I will turn off the stove now and add Kyora water. It is a flavoring agent, and after adding the Kyora water, I will put the lid on it. It helps the flavor inside, and the heat of the chicken will slowly cook the Kyora water without reducing its flavor.